Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? With inflation rising in 2026, it feels like money vanishes before the month even ends. But here is the truth. Becoming rich isn't just about earning more, it is about keeping more of what you already have. Welcome to FinTactic. Today we are breaking down 7 frugal habits that will explode your net worth. Let's dive in. First, master the 24-hour rule. Impulse buying is the biggest enemy of wealth. The next time you see a gadget or dress you want to buy online, wait for exactly 24 hours. 9 times out of 10, the urge will fade away and you will save that money instead. It is a simple psychological trick that works every time. Next, stop eating your money. The average person spends thousands of dollars a year on dining out. Treat restaurants as a luxury, not a daily routine. Cooking simple meals at home is the fastest way to fix a broken budget. Third, automate your savings. Don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account the moment your paycheck hits. If you don't see the money, you won't spend it. Moving on to number 4, quality over quantity. Frugal living doesn't mean being cheap. It means being smart. Buying a $100 pair of shoes that lasts 5 years is cheaper than buying a $20 pair that breaks every few months. Always think long-term. Audit your subscriptions. Be honest, how many streaming services or gym memberships are you paying for but never using? Check your bank statement today and cancel everything you don't need. That is essentially free money going down the drain. Sixth, invest the difference. Saving cash is great, but inflation destroys its value over time. The wealthy take their savings and invest them into assets like index funds or stocks. You need to make your money work for you while you sleep. And finally, value your time. Sometimes trying to save a few cents isn't worth hours of your struggle. Focus your energy on learning high-income skills that increase your earning potential. Frugality is the first step to financial freedom. Start with these habits today and watch your life change. Which of these habits will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found value in this video, hit the like button and subscribe to FinTactic for more smart money moves. Thanks for watching.